Our partnership with Arizona Western and those students who come here, there's a real advantage right away because they are already integrated into our culture. We see them as a regular part of our team. So it's not them and us. It clearly is a collective effort.
Well, we have a good connection with the industry group so that our students can visit them and learn from them as well. And it is really important for hands-on experience, but also that they looking at the diverse opinion from the industry.
Here at Arizona Western College Law Enforcement Training Academy, we train recruits to go out onto the road and work for their agencies. We currently serve 24 different law enforcement agencies throughout the state, including 5 tribal nations.
Because of the partnership between Onvita and Arizona Western College, I get to have hands-on experience. There's so many things that we learn here and we apply it there. The technical skills that we learn, it's very similar to what we see at the hospital. It's really hard to not succeed here. You have so much time to learn the material. You get to set up appointments with your professors. And even on the days I go to Onvita Hospital, I learn from those nurses as well who are also graduates of AWC nursing program.
I think being a part of the Ag Mentorship Program as an Ag major here at AWC has definitely prepared me. I was partnered with an industry professional where, again, I got to get that hands-on experience, that hands-on learning with real-life situations to go to work with your mentor and be with them side by side, seeing what their day-to-day looks like in the field that you want to be in. It plays such an impactful role because you're not just learning from a textbook, you're learning from someone who's already in that position.
Fairly new part of our partnership is really sitting down to say, okay, Onvita Health, what are your health needs and what do you see as a health needs moving into the future so we can start creating a workforce that matches that. So a lot of the innovation that's come from this partnership most recently has been the innovative side of let's create now what positions that we need, the workforce that we need for tomorrow.
So right now we are averaging about 24 recruits per class, which allows us to have a lot of one-on-one with the recruits, and that has been very successful as we have a 100% pass ratio, being ranked one of the top 3 academies in the state. We have been able to prove that our recruits leaving LEDA are one of the best officers in the entire state.
We have an 8-semester plan, and then we are just making 2+2 program to go get their bachelor's degree if they are interested in. We try to understand what their goal is and what they like to pursue, transfer or help them to professionally grow. Right after graduation, they can just say, hey, I'm coming from AWC, and so that I know this and that. And Yuma is just one of the biggest agricultural hub here, which is going to be perfect compared to many other students across the states.